Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. CDC restores $5 billion in public health grants after 24-hour pause. Mednews. Federal officials have lifted a short pause on more than 100 public health grants worth over $5 billion, allowing states to continue work aimed at strengthening health systems. The funding, provided through the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, supports public health departments in all 50 states, Washington, D.C., and 3 national organizations, representing 107 health departments nationwide. The pause comes as the Trump administration increases oversight of federal health grants, with some programs facing tighter reviews, especially those believed to conflict with White House priorities. Officials have said these efforts are focused on reducing fraud, not cutting off funding. The 5-year grant program launched in late 2022, and most recipients received updated funding just last month. The funding has helped communities improve mental health scheduling systems and streamline hiring for community health workers. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak